In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an event private in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a surprise party or simply want to keep some events to yourself, making an event private is a handy feature. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar by opening your web browser and entering the URL calendar.google.com. Once you're there, ensure that you're signed in with the Google account you use for your calendar. This will direct you to your personal calendar view. Now that you're in Google Calendar, you'll need to either find the event you want to make private or create a new event if it doesn't exist yet. If you're adjusting an existing event, just click on it to open up the details. Otherwise, go ahead and hit the plus sign, usually located at the top of your calendar, to create a new event. This allows you to set up the event details like time, date, and additional information. With your event details open, the next step is to look for the default visibility drop-down menu. This is usually located within the event options beneath where you have inputted the event's title. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with a few options that dictate who can see the details of this event. In the list of options, you will see one labeled Private. Selecting this will ensure that your event's details are hidden from others who have access to your calendar. This is a key step if your calendar is shared, as it safeguards any sensitive or personal information you don't want to be openly viewed by others. After setting the event to private, be sure to save your changes by hitting the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of the event details panel. This action secures your preferences, confirming that only you can access the specifics of this event. Now, your event is secure and only you have the ability to view the details. This feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain privacy on shared calendars, avoiding any unwanted visibility into what you're planning. I hope you find this guide straightforward and useful. Adjusting the visibility of your events in Google Calendar is a simple yet powerful tool to help manage your personal and professional scheduling with enhanced privacy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy planning.